papagawa ko to sir para ano naman, magmukhang special. Oh.
Sure. Let's see. What mekos natin? This is beef shawarma. Get both worlds, 2 different spices on each.
So ayun guys, nandito tayo sa may kahabaan ng Bukandala guys. Ayan, Bukandala, Imus, Cavite. Ito guys yung Jollibee ng Bukandala, Imus, Cavite. Tapos guys, ito nasa tapat lang guys yung Albite Arabic Cuisine. Ayan guys, so napakadami ng tao, dumog na dumog guys. Ito yung blinag ni Kapudrip, Ewik Bukbang, tsaka ni Manuel Olaso guys. Ito guys yung pag nagdala ka ng chicheria guys, lalagyan nila ng toppings. Ito guys yung sikat sa ibang bansa guys, nalalagyan ng mga toppings gaya ng mga onion, pipino, chicken, tsaka beef, tsaka yung may cheese sa ibabaw. So ito na yun guys, dinala na nila sa Pilipinas. Ito yung Albite Arabic Cuisine. Ayan guys. Sir, ano yung mga sinaserve dito?
65.
Ang sinaserve namin is Arabic dishes. We come from the Middle East, from Palestine, and so we wanted to bring our street food right here in the Philippines. And recently, we've been flooded with a lot of people asking us for odd requests, just like a bag of chips.
So sir, papagawa ko to sir para ano naman, magmukhang special. Oh.
Sure. Let's see. What do you got? Tortillas. All right. Mekos natin.
Mekos sir.
All right.
Kamayin mo na kaya sir.
Kamayin?
Biro lang.
So, mekos natin. This is beef shawarma.
Beef shawarma.
And this is chicken shawarma. Get both worlds, 2 different spices on each. Extra flavor pa.
This one, what is this?
Repolyo,
Pollo,
pipino,
pipino,
at sibuyas.
sibuyas. O, di ba? Marunong ka magtagalog.
Siyempre naman.
So, magkano yung ganyan, sir?
So, pag mekos, 150 na to. Pwede po kayo pumili kung gusto niyo ng chicken o kaya kung gusto niyo ng beef. Basta marami, ang pinakamasarap, ang pinaka-high demand namin is mekos. Get both of them. It's very flavorful. Garlic sauce?
Garlic sauce.
Alright. Spicy?
Spicy.
Alright, you got it. There you go. Onion,
Pino.
pepino, and repolyo.
Repolyo. Galing
There you
magtagalog ka, sir.
go. Repolyo. Wow.
Brings it out some biryani rice with it.
Wait, and
Trust me.
a little bit more hot sauce in there. Oh, wait a second. Yes, let's add some biryani rice. You'll like it. I mean, people ask for it, so why not? Right?
Tara. Biryani rice. Ayun,
So
no.
it goes like this. Boom. A hint of a spicy.
Tsara.
Boom. Just watch out.
Oh.
Wala. Oh.
So ito, 150 pesos lang. Saan to located?
Location namin dito lang sa Kantong Bukandala, Imus, Cavite. We're open every day from Tuesday all the way up until Sunday from 5 p.m. until 1 a.m. on the weekends only, but usually until 12. But yeah, sometimes we stretch it out till 1 a.m. Don't forget to come and visit us here at Albite and try our Arabic food dishes. Tara na dito para matikman nyo ang masarap dito lang sa Albite. Sa akin na lang
Akin
to.
akin to. Akin to. Sarap niya buyo. 150 lang, oh. Ang dami laman, oh. So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa may Bukandala, Imus, Cavite guys. At tantinahin natin guys, itong Albite Arabic Cuisine. Ayan guys. So ito yung sikat dito guys sa may Imus, Cavite guys na make your own chips. Ayan guys, so magdadala ka lang ng chips, tapos bahala na sila niyan ang maglagay kung anong gusto mong i-toppings. Ito guys, so ang dami ng tinapping sa akin guys, iba-iba. May chicken, may beef shawarma, meron siya pipino, onion, tsaka yung cabbage, kumbaga repolyo. Ayan, tapos meron siyang mga special sauce na nilagay, hindi ko alam kung ano yun. So ang pinakamalupit dito, meron siyang biryani guys sa ibabaw. Ayan, ang dami. Tapos ito guys, 150 pesos lang to guys. Napakadami niya guys, siguro mga 3 to 4 person ang pwedeng kumain ito. Ayan, so tikman natin guys. Ayun, masarap. Hindi ko akalain guys na yung biryani rice, tapos shawarma, tapos yung chicken, tapos maraming mga kung anong mga gulay, babagay dito sa simpleng chicheria. Guys, hindi mo na kailangan pang tumayo ng ibang bansa para matikman to. Dito lang sa Imus, Cavite guys, napakalapit. Bukandala, Imus, Cavite guys, tapat lang ng Jollibee. Matitikman mo tong napakasarap. Tapos ito naman yung beef. Lagyan din natin ng chicheria. Sarap. Ang dami, oh. So guys, pag napadayo ka ng Imus, Cavite guys, huwag nyo kalimutan magdala ng chicheria. Kasi wala silang chicheria dito. So guys, nabanggit naman ni Sir kanina kung anong oras sila nag-o-open. I-waste nyo lang tong Jollibee Bukondala, madali nyo makukuha yan. Kaysa, dayuhin nyo to, 150 pesos lang, gawin natin ganito no?